Good morning, my dear students. Probability continuation. Lecture 16. Problem 4. If a random variable has the probability density f of x as f of x is equal to 2 into e power minus 2x, x greater than 0 is equal to 0, x less than or equal to 0. The probabilities, find the probabilities that it will take on a value between 1 and 3 greater than 0.5. So given f of x is equal to 2 e power minus 2x, x is greater than 0, is equal to 0, x less than or equal to 0. So given f of x of 2 into e power minus 2x, x greater than 0 is equal to 0, x less than or equal to 0. We have to get probability between 1 and 3. So 1 less than x less than 3. Integral 1 to 3 f of x dx. Integral 1 to 3 f of x 2 e power minus 2x dx. 2 constant common it. E power minus 2x integration e power minus 2x by minus 2 1 2 3 2 to cancel e power upper limit 2 into 3 e power minus 6 minus e power minus 2 by minus 1. So e power minus 2 minus e power minus 6. This is your first bit. Second bit. What is your second bit? P greater than x greater than 0.5, x greater than 0.5. So minus 5 to infinity f of x dx, minus 5 to infinity f of x dx. Here 0 minus infinity infinity, x greater than 0, x less than or equal to 0. So greater than 0.5 means up to infinity. 0.5 means up to infinity. Integral minus 0.5 to infinity 2 e power minus 2x dx. 2 constant integral e power minus 2x e power minus 2x by minus 2 0.5 to infinity 2 to cancel e power minus infinity 0 1 by 2 0.5 means 1 by 2 2 to cancel we get e power minus 1 by minus 1. So nothing but e power minus 1 1 by e 1 by e. Result in continuous random variable mean mu is equal to formula in discrete sigma x into px, in continuous integral minus infinity infinity x into f of x dx. Variance sigma square is equal to integral minus infinity infinity x square into f of x dx minus mu square. Standard deviation plus root of variance. Problem 5. For the continuous random variable x whose probability density function is given by f of x is equal to kx into 2 minus x, 0 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 2 is equal to 0 otherwise. Find 1 k, 2 mean, 3 variance, 4 standard deviation. Solution. Given f of x is equal to kx into 2 minus x, 0 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 2 is equal to 0 otherwise. So minus infinity to infinity, here 0 0 to 2. Here f of x is kx into 2 minus x. X greater than 2, f of x is 0. X less than 0, f of x is 0. Otherwise means remaining intervals f of x is 0. In the interval 0 to 2, f of x is kx into 2 minus x. That is the meaning. Observe the diagram. Now, f of x is probability density function. So, given f of x is probability density function. So, integral minus infinity infinity f of x dx is equal to 1 by definition. Split the interval 0 to minus infinity to 0. F of x is 0. 0 to 2. Your f of x is kx into 2 minus x dx. 2 to infinity. Your f of x is 0. Observe the diagram. Observe the diagram. Okay. The common k integral 0 to 2 2x minus x square dx is equal to 1. K integration integral x square by 2 integral x square x cube by 3 0 to 2 is equal to 1. So simplifying we get integrating and substituting upper and lower limits, we get k value 3 by 4. Now substituting k value here, we get f of x 3 by 4 into x 2 minus x 0 less than or less than 2 0 otherwise. Now second bit we have to find mean mu is equal to formula integral minus infinity x into f of x dx. So minus infinity to 0 f of x 0 0 to t x into your f of x is 3 by 4 x into 2 minus x dx plus 2 to infinity your f of x is 0. So you common 3 by 4 integral 0 to 2 x into x square 2x square minus x cube dx 3 by 4 common x square into 2x square minus x cube 3 by 4 integration 2x cube by 3 minus x power of 4 by 4 0 to 2 3 by 4 upper limit 2 cube instead of x you write 2 cube 8 16 by 3 minus 16 2 power 4 16 by 4 substituting lower limit 0 minus 0 0 need not write of course 3 by 4 your LCM is 16 by 3 minus 4 so 3 LCM 3 by 4 16 minus 12 by 3 so 3 cancel 4 by 4 1 4 by 4 1 mean value is 1. This is your second bit. Now third bit variance sigma square is equal to formula integral minus infinity to infinity x square into f of x dx minus mu square integral minus infinity to 0 f of x value 0 to 2 your f of x is 3 by 4 into x into 2 minus x dx 2 to infinity your f of x is 0 minus mu square 1 square mu is 1 minus 1 square 3 by 4 into 0 to 2 x cube 2x cube minus x to the power of 4 dx minus 1 3 by 4, 2x power of 4 by 4 minus x power of 5 by 5. 0 to 2 minus 1. 3 by 4, 16 by 4, 8 minus 32 by 5. 32 by 5. Lower limit 0 minus 0, you need not write, of course. 3 by 4, 40 minus 32. 40 minus 32 by 5 minus 1. 3 by 4, 8 by 5. 8 by 5 minus 1. Nothing but 6 by 5 minus 1. 6 minus 5 by 5. 1 by 5. 1 by 5. Variance is 1 by 5. Standard deviation plus root of variance plus root of 1 by 5. Plus root of 1 by 5. Problem 6. For the continuous probability function f of x equal to k x square e power minus x, x greater than or equal to 0 is equal to 0, otherwise find first bit k, second bit mean, third bit variance, fourth bit standard deviation. Solution. Given f of x is equal to k x square e power minus x, x greater than or equal to 0, 0, otherwise. So diagram minus infinity to infinity 0. So x greater than or equal to 0, your f of x is equal to kx square e power minus x. X less than 0, your f of x is 0. Diagram. F of x is probability density function. Density function. So total probability is equal to 1. Total probability is equal to, total probability means minus infinity to infinity, f of x dx is equal to 1. This implies minus infinity infinity, f of x dx is equal to 1. Integral minus infinity to 0, f of x is 0. 0 to infinity k x square e power minus x dx is equal to 1. You common k into 0 to infinity x square e power minus x dx is equal to 1. Apply chain rule. Chain rule. Integral uv v1, v1 means integration, minus u dash derivative, v2 again integration, plus u double dash v3. This is nothing but chain rule. This is nothing but chain rule. Very easy. This is u, this is v. You write u first as it is, put bracket x square, integral of e power minus x minus e power minus x, minus plus minus chain rule. X square derivative 2x, integral of this minus and minus plus e power minus x, plus 2x derivative 2, integral of this chain rule minus e power minus x. Next 2 derivative 0 need not write. 0 to infinity is equal to right side 1, plus k. Apply upper limit. Instead of x you write infinity, e power minus infinity is equal to 1 by e power infinity is equal to 1 by infinity 0. E power minus infinity is equal to 1 by e power infinity. A power minus m formula 1 by a power m So e power minus infinity is equal to 1 by e power infinity. That is nothing but infinity. 1 by infinity 0. So here 0, 0, 0. Upper limit 0 minus lower limit. Instead of x you write 0. 0 and something 0. 0 and something 0. Here 2 into e power minus 1. Minus e power 0 minus 1 is equal to 1. So minus into minus plus 2k is equal to 1. This implies k is equal to 1 by 2. Now your f of x is equal to k 1 by 2 x square e power minus x. X is greater than or equal to 0. 0 otherwise. 0 otherwise. Okay. This is your first bit. First bit. To second bit mean. Second bit mean. What is mean formula? Mu is equal to integral minus infinity to infinity x into f of x into dx. So integral minus infinity to 0 f of x 0, leave it, into 0 to infinity x into what is your f of x? 1 by 2 x square e power minus x dx. So 1 by 2 0 to infinity x cube e power minus x dx. Use the chain rule. This is u, this is v. Chain rule. Bracket x cube integral of this minus x cube derivative integral of this minus into minus plus derivative of this integral of this derivative of this integral of this. Next derivative of 6 is 0, need not write. So 0 to infinity 1 by 2 e power minus infinity 0 అన్నిట్లో e power minus infinity కూడా అప్పర్ లిమిట్ 0 x బై 0 పెడితే ఇవన్నీ పోతాయి, ఇది ఒకటే మిగులుతుంది. minus 6 e power 0 is 1 is equal to 6 by 2 nothing but 3. Your third one is variance. Variance formula sigma square integral minus infinity to infinity x square f of x dx minus mu square. Minus infinity to 0 f of x is 0, 0 to infinity your f of x is 1 by 2. What is your f of x? 1 by 2 x square e power minus x dx minus mu square 3 square. Now 1 by 2 common. Integral 0 to infinity x power of 4 e power minus x dx minus 9. 1 by 2 apply chain rule. X power of 4 minus e power minus x minus x power of 4 derivative 4x cube e power minus x plus 12x square minus e power minus x minus 24x plus e power minus x plus 24 minus e power minus x. So 0 to infinity minus 9. So 1 by 2 upper limit. Instead of x you write infinity, we get upper limit 0, lower limit 0, x 0, 0, 0, 0. We get only this one only. We get this one only. So okay, already minus is there, minus 24, minus 9. So 24 by 2 minus 9, 12 minus 9, 3. Variance is also 3. Now fourth bit, standard deviation is equal to plus root of variance. So plus root of 3. The probability density f of x of a continuous random variable is given by f of x equal to c e power minus mod x. minus infinity less than x less than infinity. Show that c is equal to 1 by 2 and find that the mean and the variance of the distribution. Also find the probability that the variate lies between 0 and 4. K model కేబుల్ సి ఇచ్చాడు కాకపోతే mod x డెఫినేషన్ మీద ఐడియా ఉండాలి. mod x డెఫినేషన్ mod x is equal to plus x greater than 0 పాజిటివ్ అయితే, mod x is equal to minus x less than 0 negative. So what is given here? F of x is equal to c e power minus mod x. So minus infinity less than x less than infinity. Minus infinity 0 infinity x greater than 0, here x less than 0. Two intervals. We know total probability is equal to 1. So minus infinity to infinity f of x dx is equal to 1. So integral minus infinity to 0, write your f of x c e power minus x dx. Mod x is minus x, minus into minus plus x, sorry, minus into minus plus x. In the interval we get c e power x dx plus 0 to infinity. In this interval mod x is x, so we get c e power minus x dx is equal to 1. Common c e power x integration, e power x minus infinity to 0, e power minus x integration minus e power minus x 0 to infinity is equal to 1. C into e power 0 1 minus e power minus infinity 0, e power minus infinity 0, e power minus infinity equal to 1 by e power infinity 1 by infinity 0. So we get e power minus infinity 0 minus minus 1 is equal to 1. So 2c is equal to 1, c is equal to 1 by 2. Okay, mean mu is equal to formula integral minus infinity to infinity x into f of x dx. Integral minus infinity to infinity x into what is your f of x? You write f of x 1 by 2 e power minus mod x minus infinity less than x less than infinity. Now after getting c value 1 by 2, now your f of x is 1 by 2 e power minus mod x. So 1 by 2 e power minus mod x dx, e power mod x dx. So x is the odd function, this is even function, odd into even odd function, so this value is 0, this value is 0. Variance sigma square, x is odd, e power minus mod x is even, odd into even function, odd function, minus infinity infinity odd function value 0. Integral minus infinity to infinity x square f of x dx minus mu square, this is 0. Integral minus infinity to infinity x square into what is your f of x 1 by 2 e power minus mod x dx. So this is even function, this is even function, even function into even function, even function. Minus infinity to infinity becomes 2 into 0 to infinity. minus infinity infinity becomes 2 into 0 to infinity. So 0 to infinity x square e power minus x dx. Using chain rule, simplifying, we get to last bit, probability that variate lies between 0 and 4, 0 less than or equal to x less than 4, probability 0 to 4, f of x dx. This is a positive interval, mod x becomes small x, so e power minus x, integrating, simplifying, we get 0.4908. Problem 8, a continuous random variable has the probability density function f of x is equal to kx e power minus lambda x, x greater than or equal to 0, lambda greater than 0 is equal to 0 otherwise. Find number 1, k, mean, variance, standard deviation. Solution, given f of x is equal to kx into e power minus lambda x, x greater than or equal to 0, lambda greater than 0, 0 otherwise. Diagram, minus infinity infinity, 0 to infinity, x greater than or equal to 0. In this, f of x is kx into e power minus lambda x, x less than 0. In this, f of x is 0. We know total probability is equal to 1. Integral minus infinity to infinity, f of x dx is equal to 1. Integral minus infinity to 0, 0 to 0 to infinity, kx e power minus lambda x dx is equal to 1. So k into 0 to infinity, x into e power minus lambda x dx is equal to 1. Chain rule, you write x e power minus lambda x integration, e power minus lambda x by minus lambda, x derivative 1, integral of this, so minus lambda plus lambda square. So upper limit, e power minus infinity 0 minus x 0, this is 0, here minus 1 by lambda square, so k by lambda square equal to 1, k is equal to lambda square. Now your f of x is equal to, instead of k you write a lambda square. Find mean, mu is equal to integral minus infinity to x into f of x dx, actual formula, minus infinity to 0, f of x value 0, 0 to infinity, you write your f of x above f of x, lambda square common, x square e power minus lambda x dx. Now use the chain rule, simplifying, we get 2 by lambda, variance formula, sigma square is equal to minus infinity to infinity, x square f of x dx minus mu square. So again apply chain rule, simplifying, we get 2 by lambda square. So standard deviation plus root of variance, root of 2 by lambda square, root 2 by lambda. It's a very important problem in examinations.